thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
God bless you. Thank you for staying in Denmark for 5 weeks, and hope to see you out there somewhere.
What else?
We could know about you. What else? I find you out. 101.
We would also like to sing one song for you.
Yeah. Please.
Ben.
Yes.
Now, look one.
What is the meaning of Malaika?
An angel.
Angel.
We have used this for this financial management course because it's about financial problems. You don't have sufficient money to buy your angel, which is the wife, your girlfriend that you want to invest in. So, you're welcome to do it without any kind of rehearsal.
We shall overcome.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, believe in my heart. I do believe. We shall overcome someday.
আমরা করব জয়, আমরা করব জয়, আমরা করব জয়। মনের গভীরে আমরা জেনেছি, we shall overcome someday.
Thank you so much.
You have started very soon that this